Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a PR package unboxing from Doodles. I haven't even opened it yet, so we will open this together. I love this bright mailer. I love getting stuff from Doodles because she actually lives in the city, or she's in the city, and I live in Illinois. She's in Chicago and I live in Illinois, so I get these things pretty fast. So let me go ahead and take out, well, first I want to show you guys, I don't want to give you her address, but I wanted to show you guys how this is packaged. So it has that cute little Doodle shop sticker. Let me get this out. I did just rip the sticker. It's not personal, you know. Okay, so here are my goodies. I got a lot of smaller sheets. So I just wanted this vellum. It just says all the bows. I love Hannah's vellum. Like the quality of her vellum paper is really awesome. So I'm not entirely sure where I'm going to put this, which planner, but I have tons to choose from. So there is my vellum that I got. And then inside here, she actually just came out with a minimal line. So I think if not all these stickers, most of them are going to be from her minimalistic line. So I'm really excited because this is going to be primarily for my Louis Vuitton planners. So here is the sampler, which is so cute. So you get just a little sample of some of her little character stickers and script stickers, as well as one of the little pencils to put on your card. And you just put these pencils on your reward card, and for so many you can get a free sheet of stickers. So anyway, I will link my code and this shop down below, but I'll tell you right now, my code for Doodle shop is Olivia15. I'm so excited to be on her PR squad. All right, so as you guys can see, the sheets are very, actually, I'll give you guys a comparison because she did mention this when she was going over them originally in her live. So let me just grab a character sticker sheet from her shop. So this is the traditional size of her sticker sheets, but with the minimal, she made them smaller so they can fit into pocket planners easier without kind of like bending on the page. So just to kind of give you guys a comparison, they're about the same height almost, but not the same width, as you guys can see. But you still get about, I think she said 40 stickers on each of these. Oh, you actually get 45, so is that right? No, you get 40. I'm totally miscounting. I said 45. Yeah, so you get 40 stickers on this sheet. So that's still a pretty good, it's still a pretty good amount. So these are the bows, the minimalistic bows. She had a really cute idea to kind of use these bows to mark off, like if you have a calendar at a glance, you can just mark off that particular month that's passed with this bow right in the middle. So I got the minimal bows. Then I have the, what did she call these? Hold on, you guys. I want to give you the actual name. Oh yeah, the asterisk. I wanted to make sure that she did call them. So these are the mini asterisks, and she actually has some of these in 3 different colors. You can get white, black, or her neutral palette. And I think I have at least one sticker sheet in here in the neutral palette, so I'll show you that if I do. If I don't, I will link everything. Like I said, I'll link her shop below. So there are the asterisks, and then I have the minimal flags, the page flags, the bow boxes. I love that little bow. The meal stickers. And these won't be used in my planner for like to mark meals for the day. This is just gonna be like if I run out, or like if I run out to go and do something, like go have dinner or something like that, just something cute to mark. I have heart stickers, so cute. I love just the doodle, and she drew all of these too, you guys. So the Instagram stickers. So this will be helpful for my Instagram posts. I got the pencil stickers, the triangle stickers, and the Facebook stickers. So just to show you guys, there are a few more things that she came out with. I didn't get everything. I just wanted to get the things that were kind of obviously more pertinent to me. But these are awesome. I just love the aesthetic of them. I think she did a really, really great job with these. So again, all of the minimal line is live now. I will leave my code below as well as the website. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye-bye.